Hello friends, welcome to Basic Programming channel. In last video we seen the small basic language. So in that we done the math module, the square root program. But now from today we are going to start the Python. Okay, in this video I'm going to tell how to install Python on your computer, the Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is the software on which we are going to do the programming of Python. It is designed by Microsoft Corporation, and the Python means there are many uses of Python like hacking, web development, then app development. There are many uses of Python. So in this video we are going to download the Python. Now for downloading Python you need to go on your browser, the browser which you like the most. You will go on that and type Visual Studio Code download. Then click on this first website, that is the original website of Visual Studio Code by Microsoft. So click on that. Then you will get options like Windows, .deb, .rpm and Mac. If you are having operating system of Windows, you will click on Windows option. If you are having Debian or Ubuntu, you will click on DEB. You are having Fedora, Red Hat, then you will click on .rpm. If you are having the Mac, the Apple Mac, you will click on Mac. So now I am having Windows 11, so I will click on Windows. Now download will start, but I have already downloaded it in my computer, so I will cancel it. And again we will go back after downloading the Visual Studio Code, and we will type Python download. Okay, so just click on download the first website official of Python. Then if you are having the latest version of Windows 10, then Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can click on this download Python option. So that is for 10 and 11 only. But if you want version for Windows 7 64-bit, just click on download, or else you just scroll down and you can see. And also in Python 3.10 is only for the Windows 10 and 11, and before this point 8 they are for Windows 7. So now I think this is the best for Windows 7 64-bit. Just click here, see 3.6.15. We'll just click on that if you are having Windows 7. And if you are having Windows 10, you will take different. But you can see here the 64-bit is not available in this version. Okay, so we will go back. You can find many versions of Windows 7. See, you can find I will take it down. Okay, so there is one more version like 3.57. Okay, so this is also one version for Windows 7. Let's take it down. But it is also same, but you can, if you want, there are many versions on Python, you can take one of them for Windows 7. So now I am having latest version only, so I will click on download Python. But I have already installed, so I will I will cancel it. I've already installed. Okay, so after installing the Visual Studio Code and Python, we will go in this PC. Okay, then we will go on our downloads. We will check it is downloaded or not. Okay, so I don't want this, I have already downloaded, so I will delete. 2 minutes. Yes, I have deleted the file now, which it was not needed for me. Okay, so now you can see Visual Studio Code and Python. So now we will do the setup. First we will do setup of Visual Studio Code. We will click on Visual Studio Code. If you want to read the license, appliances, the policy, you can read this, and after reading it, click on I accept the agreement. Next, there are checkboxes. You can read that and you can access, or you can click on the checkbox and select the options which you want in Visual Studio Code. Next, install. Now it is installing. Now click on finish. It is installed. So after Visual Studio Code is installed here, and after doing setup of Visual Studio Code, you can click on Python 3.10 the version. Okay, so after that this page will appear, modify setup. You just click on modify, click on next, checkboxes are there, you can select that, install. So modify was successful, just click on this close. Okay, so our Python is downloaded. So now just what you want to do is you need to open your Visual Studio Code which you downloaded now, and in that what you want to do is you need to just enter here main.py. After entering main.py, your Python language will start working on it. Okay, main.py, you need to type that, then only this Python will start. Okay, so I will show you from first. Okay, just see main.py. You can add as well. Just click see main.py. Okay, so this already exists. After typing that, just select it and your Python will start working. Okay, see, if this yellow color comes for print, this orange color, so then it is started. And if you can see the logo of Python here, see, you can see logo of Python, then our Python is started in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I hope you understood. So thank you. Please subscribe the channel. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.